Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to set your GitHub account to be global through GitBash. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and smash that like button if you like this video and you find it helpful. Let me know. Okay, first thing first, if you haven't already, you do need to download GitBash. If you haven't got it, I will put down the link in the description below, as well as a guide. I can possibly make that a feature video if you like. Let me know, comment. But for the purpose of this video right now, I already have GitBash installed. And this is great as well because if you already have a GitHub account already connected to GitBash, this is also a tutorial of how to change the account if you want to connect it to a different GitHub account, which I am actually doing. I already have a different GitHub account created and I'm pretty much just doing a new one. So it's exactly the same steps. So first thing first, you need to have your GitHub account ready. So I'm going to have this list over here. These are commands. I will have all of this written down in the description below, so don't worry. So you can always just copy and paste it rather than trying to memorize it just from looking at the video. Okay, and now you need to go ahead and create your GitHub account on github.com and just follow the easy sign up steps, nice and easy to follow. And then once you've done that, you should come up with something like this. As you can see here, if I click here, I am signed in as JoyD123. So once you have that already, just go back to your desktop over here. You're going to right click. Remember, I have GitBash installed already. And I'm going to go down more where I can find the GitBash here. Click that and your GitBash will open up. First thing first, we need to actually connect our account now here. So we're going to copy this command here. When you copy it from the description below, make sure there is no space, because if you have space, all it's going to do is it's actually going to have space, and that will be put in as part of the command. So make sure you copy this precisely to the very beginning and the very end. All right, I'm just going to copy that here. Then right click paste. Just going to get rid of that one bit because that copied in. Yeah, and then press enter. Oh no, that's wrong. Oh, sorry. All right, I'm going to do that again. Let's be getting too ahead of myself. Right, so paste that in. You need to actually make this your username. So take that username out, and again, you can find your username over here. So you click that button there. There is your username, JoyD123. Go back here. Make sure if you have any letters, any full stops, any capitals, it has to be copied precisely. So capital JoyD123. That is my username. Enter. And now we're going to do our password here. No, not our password, our email. Paste that in. Okay, so you want it to look exactly the way mine's looking. Email, so the email that you use to create that GitHub account is the email you need to use here. So joydemoemail@gmail.com. All right. What I need is the git here. Git config. Okay. Always starts with a git. Okay. So just a quick explanation. So what does it mean global? So global means that this is the account, this GitHub account I've just created and I've just input here. That GitHub account is what I want to use for the commands globally everywhere. If I want to use that account for just one specific thing, then all you have to do is just remove the global. So you'll set this up again. For example, here, go, paste it. All you honestly have to do is just remove the global dash dash, and that's it. So we are setting it globally in this video. All right, so that's that done. So now we've got our username complete and we've got our email complete. So that's configured. So yeah, that's a G. And then we're going to go on to our SSH key to now set up. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. Copy it. In fact, I'm just going to remove, just so I don't have to keep deleting that bit. Right, copy this. Enter. And then you'll see this pop up. If you want to have a passphrase, you can. That's just you putting in words just to confirm. If you don't want to, just press cancel. It's going to come up twice. Cancel again. And then it will continue. And now we've got this. We go on to the next command here. Enter. And here we are. This is the SSH key that we need, that the GitBash is generated. So now what you're going to do is you're going to copy this. You're going to highlight it. Remember, no spaces, because you need it to be precise. Spaces are always inputted. So just copy that. And then you're going to go back to your GitHub account. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go down to settings. And you're going to go to SSH and GBG keys over here on the side. And then what you need is the SSH key. So you're going to click on new SSH key. And over here, as you can see, we've copied it. We're putting this into here. So we're just going to paste that in. And we're going to give it a name. Let's call it GitBash key. GitBash SSH key. All right, and then we just add SSH key. And there we go. And then just to confirm that this is, connected correctly and there's no errors and it's going to work, okay, we use this command here. So we copy this. And this is important to always do afterwards. Paste it in. Then we should have a confirmation generating. Here we are. Hi, Joy D123. You've successfully authenticated, but GitHub does not provide shell access, etc. But you want this successful, so that means you have connected it all okay. All right, so let me just discuss why we need the SSH key. So the SSH key is a way of our account basically being authenticated. So previously in the past, every time you would run GitBash, a lot of the things you do, normally you'd always have to repeatedly put in your username and password again and again and again. And in order to stop that, SSH key became available, so that way we can just copy this code, put it straight into our GitHub account, and that way we don't have to be we won't be asked repetitively for username and password all the time, because we've authenticated and it's happy. So that's basically why we have SSH key. And that's that. That is it for the video today. This is how you connect your GitHub account to your GitBash. And now you can do what you need to do on your computer and have all the commands between your local to your GitHub account and do what you need to do with your repositories, etc. Hey, thank you for watching this video.